Are you looking for a new pizza influencer for Slice? Hi, my name is Gabriel Manick. I'm a foodie and I am starving. So, I've been creating ever since Santa gave me that Robin Hood costume on Christmas. Spoiler alert, my parents actually got me that, but shh, my mom still thinks I believe in Santa. But yeah, my brother and I would put on plays for our family and we'd come up with stories. I mean, we even did puppet shows. So yes, throughout the years, through schooling and working and everything, I've realized that my purpose in life is to perform, entertain, tell stories, inspire people, and connect with others who are putting their passions into whatever it is, especially food. That's why I started my YouTube channel, Starving Actor Food Reviews. Because in life, you can't always wait for somebody to give you an opportunity. You've got to create your own opportunities. And during that process, it's not about what you attain, but who you become through that process. And in my process of being a food reviewer on social media, I've realized I'm doing something bigger than myself. I'm talking about small businesses. I'm supporting small businesses. And it's amazing because small businesses are the backbone of this country.
So what was the story again? You guys were from Long Island, I think?
That's correct.
Yeah.
And from Long Island and Brooklyn.
When did you move here?
92.
92.
And come on, you gotta admit, everybody loves food. And me being from Queens, New York, I love the pizza. Pizza's so good. I know how it's supposed to be, a nice crisp, thin cheese. Oh, so good. And look, even though Portnoy doesn't like the greasy slices, I'm a fan. I love the greasy slices. It's so good. Man, so food, the community, it brings us all together. So, stepping back, credentials and all that on paper stuff, I mean, working in retail for 8+ years, working in restaurant, the beer industry, serving the public, connecting with people. I mean, that's what this is. I mean, that's what social media is. Right here, I'm talking to one person. I'm giving you my secret. I'm talking to one person. That when you look into the camera and you're talking about a purse, a slice of pizza, whatever it is, you're speaking to that one person. That's something that acting classes taught me as well, specifically for commercials. You're connecting with somebody. Yes, I have a college degree in TV and film production, and I've had my experience in that field. It's who you are, what you can contribute. I truly believe that our value comes from our life experiences. I'm sure you have unique experiences that makes you great at your job, and that's amazing. The world is filled with people like this, and I'm just trying to connect with them. And on this journey, trying pizza, I can't tell you how many friends from up north, and they're like, oh, there's no good pizza out of New York. I'm like, no, there is, trust me. And every time I've taken them to La Bella's in Marietta, Georgia, Baby Tommy's, Gino's in Midtown Atlanta, or Eddie and Sam's in Tampa, which I truly think they bring the New York water in there. Or Valentino's, or Hard Knocks Pizza in Knoxville, Tennessee. There is pizza to be found and to be shared so they know whether they live in that city or if they're booking a trip to that city, they know where to get pizza that they're gonna enjoy, especially if they're from New York. On that note, thank you so much for the consideration, and I look forward to speaking with you soon.